Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to change your page color. So in this video, totally helpful, so please subscribe our channel and like this video. So guys, today I'm open or click Word 2016 and change. So I'm just open blank document and so guys, I'm just click design part, click design and right side color, and now you change your color on your page. So I'm just select yellow and color not change. So this is custom colors. I will change. Okay, watermark. So guys, this is text color, text color and text font. So I just need this page color. Okay, change yellow or change any color if you want to. So guys, subscribe our channel and select, and the font size is 80. So guys, next time chat with another new video. See you next time. Goodbye. Keep watching this video, so please subscribe our channel.